Afternoon hours. Then it's going to break up again over the mountains of Mexico later on today, tonight, and into Monday. And then Monday begins the aftermath, the cleanup. We really start to see what the damage is, especially across northeastern Willacy County, where it was very close to the center of landfall yesterday, just to the north of Port Mansfield. And that eye was about 40, 50 miles wide. And so the hurricane force winds were extending pretty far out from the center of the storm. Again, this tornado warning for about another 3 minutes or so for central Willacy County into northern Cameron County. And then also this one here does include Arroyo City for northern Cameron County into southeastern Willacy County. And still some heavy rain. It's starting to move out of Brownsville now, approaching San Benito. And also there, Los Fresnos is getting some very heavy rain right now. And this is all moving off towards the north, a little bit towards the northwest, again, following the circulation of Tropical Storm Hannah. Here's a broader look now of the area. So the brighter green boxes here, that's your flash flood warnings that continue for this morning until, well, right now we're seeing them about 7:30. But again, there's going to be a moving target as far as times on these. Now that's tornado watch until 9 a.m. That's the darker red. It's kind of hard to see here, but the tornado watch continues till 9 a.m. I wouldn't be surprised if that gets extended as well, because as long as we've got the tropical rains moving across the area, you do have that outside possibility that you see some of those small isolated tornadoes pop up across the area. There you can see the motion of the rainfall up and around the center, moving counterclockwise. So the showers and thunderstorms across the lower valley are moving up towards the north-northwest, but then notice as you get further out towards the west, they're moving more towards the southwest. Again, that's that circulation from Tropical Storm Hannah. Still a lot of rain extending well out into the Gulf of Mexico and extending further north towards the coastal bend. Travel today is going to be pretty much impossible in and out of the Rio Grande Valley. So good thing it's Sunday, good chance to stay home. And again, we're also dealing with about, last I saw, about 250,000 or so customers without power across the area. Rainfall total so far anywhere from, say, 7 to 14 inches or so in this area, pink right in through here, with the heavier totals in the lighter grays that you see here, and even down towards Los Fresnos, about 6.5 to 7 inches of rain. Then you see another pocket here across southeastern Hidalgo County, and another pocket just to the west of McAllen going out towards La Jolla. And these numbers are going to continue to increase, as you just saw on the radar. There's a lot of rain still heading towards the area. West-southwest at 9 miles an hour is slow, but it's still quick enough that I think we will start to see things improve as we head into the afternoon hours, and especially by the time we get to this evening. So again, there is the center, 60-mile-per-hour winds moving west-southwest at 9 miles an hour. You can see a big flare-up of the cloud tops here, the taller cloud tops there just to the south of Stark County, and then still some very significant cloud tops there just to the south of Brownsville, just a sign that we still have significant weather moving around Tropical Storm Hannah. So here we are looking again, the tornado warnings for about another minute or so for central Willacy County into northern Hidalgo County. That does include San Perlita, and also Arroyo City is included in this one. Now, as these expire, don't be surprised if you see more of them pop up again for this morning, going into probably late morning. I think by early afternoon we'll see the threat start to really reduce across areas as far as tornadoes as a possibility, and also I think we'll see the rain start to drop as well. Seeing a bit of a lull now from about San Benito, Harlingen, extending into eastern portions of Hidalgo County, southwestern Willacy County, seeing a little bit of a break right now, and the island out towards Port Isabel, Highway 4, Highway 48 towards Boca Chica Beach. That area also seeing a little bit of a break now, kind of a lull. But as I mentioned, there's still a lot of heavy rain out over the Gulf of Mexico that still has to make it inland over the next few hours or so. Again, moving to the north-northwest to the east, moving off towards the west as you go further west into the upper valley. And again, the tornado watch in effect until 9 o'clock for the area shaded in green, which basically it's hard to see with all the rain on the map here, but it's Hidalgo County, it's Willacy County, and it's Cameron County. Those tornado warnings have now expired, but there is the heavy rainfall still. Again, starting to lighten up somewhat across the southern parts of Willacy County. There's your tornado watch now. You can see the dark red now. So again, basically the lower two-thirds of the Rio Grande Valley, and then the bright green here is where we have the flash flood warnings in effect. And again, they're going to continue, I think, to be ineffective throughout the morning hours. They get closer to expiration, we'll see them extended again because of all that heavy rain that's still moving towards the area. We will continue to keep you posted here in the Weather Center here at CBS 4 News. And as we see any more of those tornado warnings pop up, we'll let you know. In the meantime, we'll send it back to programming.